What's going on, y'all? Welcome back. I was taking a second and marking things up. So yeah, I'm thinking I want to look for longs. I don't think we're coming all the way back down to this New York lunch low. I mean, if it does, that's crazy, but I don't feel like there's a reason for it to come back down there. So I feel like we're bullish right now, and we're trying to tap into this daily fair value gap up here. This red box you see right here, right? That's what I feel like is the draw on liquidity right now. I am expecting a bearish week, so I am expecting us to like be selling off for the rest of the week. So this kind of goes in play with my analysis, just because today's Monday, so I'm expecting like bullish type pricing Monday, but then I want to see price come back down for the rest of the week, and then maybe get some bulls back in the game on Friday. But you know how the market plays out sometimes, so sometimes I'm sure there'll still be plenty of long opportunities, but yeah, I think I'm looking to get in long. And like I said, I would be targeting this daily fair value gap up here. So 25,950, I'll say. But yeah, but as of right now, we just waiting. It's about to be 1:30. And this is the time that I'm looking for my move or some type of sweep of liquidity, which we're kind of getting right now. If you look on this 5 minute, we had all this low resistance liquidity right here, and it's kind of pushing down. The previous 5 minute candle tried to do it too, but this one's coming a little bit further down this time, so it might be the one for us. But yeah, so for now, we're just gonna be sitting back watching and see what's happening. Now, if we do just like take off and trade from where we're at right now, and then kind of get like some bearish pressure at some point, that's probably the move too. So we can either find our long to go up to this daily fair value gap, or we're gonna have to get some shorts to come back into another area of liquidity. But I don't think we're coming all the way to the New York lunch low. Not today. Hey, what's going on, man? Moxie, how you doing today? Shorts might be the way. I was thinking we'll probably go up to this daily fair value gap right here, but I'm not thinking that anymore. Well, a little bit. I'm still gonna give it time to see what it's gonna do, but we might not get up there right now. Kind of curious of what's gonna happen because if you look, like, we pretty much, um, so we had this was like the London range right here, right? Then New York Open swept the London high and then came down, swept London low, right? And now lunch we're sweeping the New York AM high. Yeah, it's kind of yeah. This is probably not gonna do too much today. I think we have CPI and all of that this week, don't we? When did this happen? On is everybody's this look weird? What's going on? Is something up with everybody's candles? This 4 hour candle is saying that we already went up into that fair value gap up there, but I don't know. This must be glitching or something. Anybody else's chart look like that? But it's only my 4 hour though, because I don't see it anywhere else where that would have happened. Yeah, it got to be a glitch or something. Oh, Project X is you. Okay. Dang, man, that's sad. I really like Project X, but I don't know what's been going on lately. That was the cue to get in. Maybe Project X knows something that we don't know. It's trying to tell us that's where price wants to go. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I think I'm about to start using TradingView. So I did end up securing that partnership with Earn the Trade. Ah, I didn't know that. Okay. But yeah, I think I'm gonna start using TradingView more, especially since, like I was saying, I got the Earn the Trade or Earn to Trade partnership now, and they just have the Ninja Trader. Like they only have the Rhythmic connection. But I see when you go to Project X's page, Earn the Trade is it says coming soon on there, like under their brokers. Yeah, yes sir. Yeah, so but I won't be able to do a giveaway just yet. I probably gotta wait like a month to be able to do a giveaway with them, but we've already got it in the works, so it should be coming. But yeah, I think I'm about to switch over to TradingView, man. Fortunately, I like Project X, but I don't know. It seems like it's always got something going on. Right, so I think I'm gonna go with 5. I'm doing micros right now. We keep coming back into this fair value gap ordinary and pushing away, so I'm thinking it wants to push up a little bit higher. And I'm gonna go with that Project X is giving us a little hint of where price wants to go. Nah, but I did want to see us come up into this daily fair value gap anyways. Maybe trade up in there and then we could maybe go up into that into the close and then sell off tomorrow. Hey, what's going on, SB? Okay, cool. I'm gonna go check it out here in a second. What you thinking? You long or short? Okay, okay. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm gonna check it out here in a second. Okay. Do you do micro gold or you do the full size gold? Cause gold is expensive. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I want to get into gold, bro, but I don't know. I really got to take the time to figure it out first. I will eventually though, but I'm just trying to perfect, you know, one market at a time. Well, dang, I stepped away for 2 seconds. But yeah, so we got stopped out. We came back to hit that New York lunch high. But I mean, thinking it wants to, I don't know yet. Looking at this, we're still respecting this order block right here. Probably about to start selling off here in a second. So, all right, so I want to see how it trades with this fair value gap that's down here. It's only a 1 minute, so not sure how I was gonna react to that area, but that's the only thing that could kind of make sense if we're still gonna be trying to look for longs. But I mean, we did sell off a decent amount, but we didn't engulf the previous 15 minute. Kind of just came back to retest the New York lunch high. So I'd be willing to get back in if we can get some buyers somewhere in this area right here. But it could even come down further because we do have this inverted fair value gap never got tapped into down here below us. There's 40 seconds left in this 15-minute candle. Yeah, I'm not sure why, but I just don't feel like we're coming all the way down to the New York lunch low. All right, yeah, I think I'm willing to try from right here again. Yeah, we're failing to get above this with this green candle, which would turn it into a bearish order, a bullish order block, a bullish breaker block. I mean, yeah, we got it there. Where this thing just loves to come stop me out and go on by this day. Yeah, good thing I downsized today and went to the micros because I'd probably already be done trading if I was trading regular size. All right, I'm about to try it again. Hopefully this sweep that it did right here at 202 will hold us down. Hey, what's going on, Futures Empress? Welcome in. Hey, Futures Empress, how gold treating you today? Did you trade gold today? Yeah, looking at the charts, I could tell a lot of people got chopped up, especially this right here. People were probably thinking it was going to like just keep selling off. But yeah, I had to downsize today. Okay, good. Yeah, I'm hoping we can get up to this daily fair value gap up here. That's what I'm targeting right now. Hey, there you go. You're welcome. But this is not financial advice, ladies and gentlemen. Take these trades at your own will. I don't need y'all coming back saying I made y'all do anything. Nah, but for real, I just say that because you never know who's listening to. No, they, especially with the way trading is, I feel like they're gonna start cracking down on a lot of stuff like that too. Especially with the amount of money a lot of people are making. All right, so now we officially turned this into a this green candle that I was talking about into a bullish breaker. So now it could come back and trade into this area. You know, there's fair value gaps within there too, so just, you know, makes it a little bit more solid for going long. Okay, cool, cool. Well, I like the wick that the wick came. I mean, the bodies at least came back to the top end of that, but dang. Starting to create like these equal highs on lower time frame. Mm. It's not what I would want to see right now. Not liking the way that ended. Probably end up getting stopped out. But it's either gonna go to TP or stop loss right now, so we'll see. And we'll just sit back and watch, see if we can find something else. Oh, for real, SBA, congrats, man. And that was with what, My Funded Futures? That's what you passed that one with? Hey, Futures Empress, that means you probably got something off the table, though. Cool, cool. Congrats, man.
Order filled.
Wow. So I'm taking trades on NinjaTrader too, so that's why I don't even know how to turn that off. But like I told you, I ended up partnering with Earn the Trade, so I got a account, but I gotta wait to. I'm trying to figure out how to connect it to TradingView because I don't like NinjaTrader. It's a little too outdated for me.
Order submitted.
Let me mute that. That's kind of annoying. All right, so we're back up now. Buyers step back in. Now I'm feeling a little bit more confident about it again. I wasn't sure what to expect for a little bit. Okay, cool, cool. Oh, you're using Earn the Trade too, SB? Sorry, TikTok, man. My tripod is trash. I need another one. I'm not sure why it's doing that. Okay, yeah. So I'm definitely already have I have a Trade Syncer account too, so I was gonna do that, and also because you can link Project X accounts also, but you have to pay for like Project X's thing or something to get their API link. You gotta pay for everything nowadays, but yeah, I'm trying to get on that. Yeah, so I have Trade Sync, and then I also had there was another one I can't remember, but it was through Apex. And you had to pay like 150. It was like for the lifetime for the software for the lifetime license. I have that also. I've heard of Replicanto, but I've never used it though. Okay. So I think the one that I was using, whichever the Apex one, you got to use two machines with it. And they're good though. Like that cheap one, you think they're solid for the price? I don't know. Cause why is it the price is a little too different? I feel like there's a catch for $15. Okay, cool. Yeah, I might have to check that out because you can't beat that price. I mean, so you're saying it's 150 or $15? Like they'll give you it's $200, but they'll give it to you for $15? That's crazy. Wow, that's crazy. You sent it. You sent me something in Discord. Yeah, I'm gonna check it out. Hey, good morning, Omar. Welcome in. Okay, bet. I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna check it out. Okay, yeah, I see it. Appreciate that, SB. All right, so it seems like we on the move a little bit. So let's see if we can get there. Ooh, you took buys on gold. I don't like that. Aren't they? Aren't they not like correlated? Like they're if gold's going up, NQ should be going down, huh? Okay. Okay, got you. Yeah, so this 15-second is kind of flipping around on us. I usually like to use the 15-second to kind of get a, like a little sneak peek, try and see what's going on before it shows like on the 1 minute. But I do think we're still good. We did create some displacement pushing through here where we were kind of finding resistance and through this old high. So we had a breaker structure with displacement. We had a fair value gap. So I'm thinking we should still be good to the north. Sheesh. Yeah, gold is always on the go. It seems like nowadays. Hey, what's going on, TikTok? It's my first time going live. Appreciate y'all stopping in. So we're in some longs on NQ, trying to target this fair value gap, this daily fair value gap resting above. I'm not gonna co-host, guys. I don't know what that even means. I don't know why this keeps popping up, but I'm not co-hosting anything. I don't know if y'all are even in the room doing that, but I don't even know. But like I said, it's my first time on here, so I don't even know what all that means. Welcome in. Welcome in. Get some momentum. Let's see if we could keep it up though. So I did mark out the top of this hourly fair value gap that's like looking to the left, because I definitely want to see if we can displace through that. But we have maybe like an hour and 20 minutes left in the market, so unless we just get some real serious momentum taking us to that fair value gap above, don't think we're gonna get it. Oh, there's no audio. Hold on. You don't hear anything, Yari? I'm not muted or anything. Like my thing's showing. Let me know if you can't hear me or not. Can anyone hear me? Okay, cool. All right. Yeah, I'm not sure, Yari. It might be something on your end. Oh yeah, no, I'm here. Sometimes I do mute the mic too. Yeah, I mean, starting to get more used to TradingView. I just feel like you run into like less issues with them though. I hate that you can't see how much you're risking, but I just like the way their candles print and just all the tools that they have in there. So I definitely like TradingView, but it's definitely takes some getting used to. It's always screaming in the background. That's why I always have to keep my mic muted sometimes. The things they get mad about, they don't want to share a blanket. It's crazy. But yeah, so it looks like we still making our way up. I'm probably gonna hold this all the way into the close. Yeah, it always gets you like that. It always goes crazy when you put like one contract on or something. Nah, for real. You know, it's I feel them though, because they do share everything and they want stuff to themselves, but it's like, come on. Yeah, they did share the whole 9 months in there, pushing each other around. Yeah, their birthday's Thursday. They'll be 2, but they already started the terrible twos months ago. I don't really like this sell off. Because you see, we went up, swept up here, and now prices coming back below. Bearish candles. So we do, is this even a fair value gap? I don't even know what's the high of this. So there's a small 15-minute fair value gap, but I don't even know if I would put my trust in it. And it's a bullish fair value gap to push price higher. And so we are coming to the close of this hour of the hourly candle. There's probably like 10 minutes left in it. And then we do have like a big fair value gap below. So I would keep that in mind because we might start targeting that, like might start pulling back to fill that gap. At 4:05, I think that's when Top Step stops. They give you like 5 minutes after the market, 5 to 10 minutes. I think it's like 10 minutes after 4 o'clock. Oh yeah, thank you, Mad Moxie. All right, we pushed back up. I didn't like that like slight little sell off we got, just because in comparison, I don't like seeing, I don't want to see whatever, regardless of what trend I'm in, I don't want to see the opposite of whatever I'm in, like type candle being bigger. So like, I'm in longs right now, so I don't want to see red candles that are bigger than the green candles. But as you can see, it's happened a couple times. Like right here, it did it again, but now we're right back up, and then it did it here. Now we're pushing back up. So it does happen, but in my brain, a lot of times I associate that with a reversal. Yeah, that's what I'm hoping, man. Like, I'm hoping we get straight buying. And what do you recommend? Copy trading account or each account? I think that depends on like the style of trader that you are. Like if you're really disciplined, that's the only time I'll tell you to copy trade. But if you're not disciplined and you know you're not disciplined, start that. Let me know if it disconnects or something, guys, because now my internet's doing what it was doing the other day. But yeah, but that's my suggestion with that, bro. If you're disciplined, that's the only time you should be copy trading. But if you're not, just do it separately. You thank yourself. I don't know. I think my internet's glitching, so if y'all can't hear me, just let me know. So yeah, so like I was saying, I want to see us come up into this day. Yeah, I don't know if you guys heard me when I was saying that because I think my internet was glitching, but um, I want to see us come up into this fair value gap up here, but I'm gonna take some off right at the um, let it
Here's some off.
automatically. Dang, okay. Probably gonna have to end the stream, guys, because I don't know what's going on with my internet. Oh wow. Hey chat, y'all still there? Y'all can still hear me? YouTube chat, y'all can still hear me? Okay, cool. Thank you. Thank you. This is why I don't like Ninja Trader, because I don't even know why it's not even letting me do whatever it is. I don't know what's going on. I feel like you gotta be like a software developer to use Ninja Trader. It's too much going on. All right, so we're in the last hour of the markets right now, so, or at least until Top Step makes you stop placing trades. Oh, that's moving too fast. Okay, so we're getting this movement because a new 5 minute candle. I mean, one new 1 hour candle just opened up like 5 minutes ago. That's all this is about. So I'm watch this low resistance liquidity right here. See if we can get a sweep and back up into it. We kind of did get that slightly just then. Yeah. So probably gonna end up logging off. I'm long right now, Rodri. I'm long. I'm trying to go long up into this 1 hour fair value gap, or I mean this daily fair value gap that's up above. I would like for us to go up there, but I don't think we have enough time to get up there. So I'll probably just end up targeting the top of this 1 hour fair value gap once they fill it. but I'll probably give it like I'll probably stay till about 1:30 on live, and we'll see how it plays out. Yes. Since we're still waiting here for this to, get us to TP, I do just want to remind y'all that I am going to be doing the Lucid giveaway. I'm going to be posting the instructions this week, so y'all will have the instructions on how to get involved with that. And then we'll announce the winner at the beginning of next week. And then, like I told you, I just partnered with Earn the Trade. That's probably going to take a little bit of time before I could do the giveaway on that one. But once we get that going, I'll put that into effect. But before then, more than likely going to be doing a trade day giveaway before I do the Earn the Trade giveaway again, or do my first Earn the Trade giveaway. I don't know what size account the Earn the Trade giveaways are going to be, but I know Lucid and Trade Day are both going to be 50Ks. They'll always be 50Ks. I think we're probably just coming to sweep like this. These smooth lows right here. I don't see us just fully reversing right now. Sometimes you just never know for real, but because you see we have these lows right here, that's what I'm thinking we're coming down, because the market likes to do that. That's what it'll do to trend lines. Look, it'll come down and sweep it. There's liquidity all below here. A lot of people who probably got in a little late are putting their stop real close and tight to the movement. So if we can get, if we can come back up and close above this red line, I'm cool with 1 or 2 candles, maybe, trade in below the line and then see one aggressive push back up into it. Then I'll be cool staying in it. But if we start closing below like these bearish candles, like these bearish candles right here, and then this bearish when we sold off to sweep the liquidity, then I'll be definitely out of that. But it's starting to look like it wants to come down more. But like I said, I'm gonna let it trade down here a little bit. I'm gonna let it move around a little bit. We'll see. Like I said, I want to see at some point, I want to see an aggressive candle back up above this red line. So let's see. So we're pushing back up towards it, but we need to close above it. We don't want to treat this as resistance. We want to come back up it, and then we'll see it start treating it like support again. Mr. Pyrogenic, hey man, I'm locked in. I just be here chilling. I got plenty of noise in the background. My kids scream all day. Do most people play music when they're trading? I don't know. I don't think I really sat in like in a single person's live before. Hey, appreciate the follow, Salon. Hey, you know, honestly, when I'm out driving, like I could drive in silence. I don't have to listen to anything. There's enough going on in my head. Okay, yeah, sometimes I will listen to lo-fi and like instrumentals. But never, I don't do that on live though. I only do that if I'm just solo. How am I inactive? I'm talking to everybody. Hold on one second, y'all. It's trying to kick me out of my TikTok live. All right, we're back. So I'm still hanging on to this trade, but you know, like I said, I want to see us come back up and start trading up above this line. If we can't do that, I'll be straight with just I'll just close it out. Oh yeah, no, I definitely feel that, Mr. Pyrogenic, for sure. If there was lyrics, that'd be going crazy. Depending on the day though, if it's a good day, might get me hype, but so I mean I started trading back in 2012. That's like the for my first introduction to trading. All right, y'all, I'm closing this out. I mean, it could still come up, but at this point, I think I'm good. I'm gonna give this candle a second. If this could like, if it comes down and then it kind of closes up in there, which is not. Yeah, I'm done with that. So I closed it out. That was like for 430 or something. Still could just shoot back up, but I don't want to. I'm not about to deal with that, and we have only X amount of time left. and we're coming up on MOC, market on close. But to answer your question, Mr. Pyrogenic, I've been trading since I started trading in 2012. Wasn't taking it that serious, but over this last like year or two, that's when I really started getting confident in it. But it's just all about practice, man. You just got to go through taking the L's. You know, you have to take the losses so you know what the losses look like, or I don't want to say the losses, but you know what being wrong looks like whenever you're trading. Because you could, when you see enough candles, you be like, all right, that doesn't look right. Last time I saw this, you know, this happened. So it's just all about getting the reps in. And then, you know, that's why a lot of people tell you to like take notes and journal. I probably don't journal as much as I should. I like to think I have good memory, but I definitely think journaling helps. But all it is, like I said, just getting those reps in, man. You know, seeing enough candles. Oh, you worry about that as well, journaling? Yeah, so I mean, so now I don't journal as much, I could say that, but I know when I get real frustrated, I start journaling. You know what I mean? Or if I go on like a really crazy losing streak, just because you kind of lose yourself when you're trading. So like the journaling kind of brings you back. You know what I mean? So that's I definitely think is beneficial to journal. And I feel like when you're just going through it, you're gonna end up journaling more. But that's what's gonna help you get out of that slump. But if you're just, you know, blindly going back into the markets every time after you're like going through losing streaks, you're not journaling nothing, you're not reflecting on what happened or what happened in the market, that's what's gonna get you. But yeah, but like I said, we probably still could move up, but I already told you I got to get to the gym anyways. And I didn't like how the YouTube though, like I go live every day on YouTube is the same. My username right here is the same on YouTube. If y'all want to go over there, got a free Discord and everything. Building it up. It's a small Discord, but just building it up. There's a bunch of people in there that give out good information too. So I just want to have a bunch of people that are serious about trading, or at least learning, or being able, or being willing to help out, and you know, help the group grow and become better traders. So yeah, so you see what the candle's doing right now? We got room to the north side. Yo, what's good? Six take profit. What's mutuals? What's mutuals? What are you talking about? Mutual funds, like type thing? I don't even know. That's the only thing I know with mutual. Hey, I appreciate it, Mr. Pyrogenic. Yes, sir. That takes time. That's the type of stuff you gotta journal too. Like, I'm glad you brought that up, but that's what you gotta journal, because you gotta be aware. Like, you gotta know yourself when it comes to trading, because you'll just keep running in a circle if you don't like truly know yourself. And when I say know yourself, know that you're either impatient or you're greedy or impulsive. Like certain things, like trading will expose all of that. That on that stuff too. So, but yeah, y'all have a good day. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. All right, YouTube gang, we out of here. I had to say bye to TikTok real quick. I ain't forget about y'all. But yeah, as y'all already know, we about to be back on here tomorrow, same time. I did wake up kind of early today, but I didn't go live, so we might be, I don't know, we might be back on the AM schedule. We'll see though. I'm not making any promises, but we'll see. But other than that, man, y'all have a good day. My internet is still tweaking. I don't even know if y'all could see or hear most of the stuff that was going on, but yeah, I appreciate y'all as always. Like the video to show your support so we can get some more people in here that are like y'all. And yeah, other than that, y'all have a good one. Catch y'all tomorrow.